right, so yesterday at the hotel, somebody recommended Khan, which is the best non-veg, best chicken or non-vegetarian food in Jaipur. So here we have, we're being invited, and these are the chefs of Khan.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Can you guys say, I'm from India?
Ah, India.
India, yes. All right, so we have all the food here. And it looks amazing. Oh wow. This is all chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken.
Everything chicken?
Everything's
Okay.
chicken here.
You don't have a kebab, no lamb?
Yes.
You also have it? Okay. So look at the size of these plates though.
Chicken chengezi. This is roasted.
Chicken tandoori?
Yeah, this is roasted.
Roasted chicken over here.
Yeah.
And then we're making a post. Say hello.
Hello.
Chef.
Hello, boy.
Chef's frozen. And here we have the roasted chicken here.
Yes, chicken roasted, chicken tikka.
And this is?
This chicken tikka, malai tikka.
Chicken malai tikka.
This green tikka.
Green tikka.
This red gravy tikka.
Red gravy. It looks the same. The same.
Huh? This is fish.
Not the same. This is fish.
Fish.
Oh,
Fish
okay.
tikka.
Fish tikka.
This chicken tikka.
This is chicken tikka.
Okay.
And what about the red one?
This chicken tikka is roasted.
Roasted chicken.
Tandoori.
It's the same. This one. All right.
This is malai tikka.
They even have fish.
Fish.
Is it fish from the lake or the river?
Flavor no?
River fish?
Flavor fish.
Okay.
They got a lot.
So yeah, it looks really amazing. And what is this? What is this?
It's chicken fry.
Chicken fry. Oh, you even have
curry.
fried chicken. Jaipur fried chicken, JFC.
Fish curry, fish curry.
Fish curry, and it's all mixed together.
This garden, this like baju leg.
What is that?
Very nice leg.
Leg. Okay. We have the JFC, Jaipur fried chicken, and we have the restaurant. And yeah, we're gonna find out how good the food is.
Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, you're fine, and you?
Amazing dish. I'm great. Thank you very much. We're gonna try your food. All right, we have a lot. Family room. Oh, we're getting special treatment. We're being pulled into the family room. So let's see what they have. Can we get a menu? All right, let's Kula Lassi. All right, let's see what they have. All right, here's the menu. Okay, perfect. We got the big table.
How many people do you have, sir?
Just two of us.
Two?
Yes.
Okay, whatever.
Not many people. You want to go in?
Yeah, we'll both stay on the same side.
All right.
And outside is fine.
No, we're not getting no speaker.
No music.
No music. We don't want any music.
No music.
All right. We want. Here's the menu. It's a big menu. Oh wow. There's two sides to it. All right. Let's see what we can have here. Mutton, chicken,
Here's the menu.
rice, dried chicken. I think we should get whatever the best food they have and probably ask them what their best dish is. We can just get that because there's so many options. Mutton, chicken. So that's what the menu looks like.
Water, drink something, sir?
What is your best food?
Drinks, we have lassi, the yogurt flavor.
No, not for.
The menu.
What is the best food on the menu? Like chicken or
The chicken roasted, but this is
chicken
the
roasted?
no sauce.
No sauce.
If you want sauce with chicken,
And I'm going to take whatever they
and
recommend.
chicken sandwich is the best.
Chicken chengezi.
And mutton is the lamb.
Okay.
The lal mas is the best.
Valmas is the best. Okay. So we've been given three options. Mutton lal mas, that's the best. Chicken chengezi. And what was the other one?
Chicken roasted.
Chicken roasted. So what do you think? All right, sure.
Mutton lamas.
Yeah, he said that's the best. And then the chicken chengezi.
What is
One of the
that?
best. I have no idea. It's with gravy, I think, or with sauce, some kind of sauce. And then another one is a chicken. What was it? Chicken fry, I think. Yeah.
Fried chicken?
Chicken fry, yeah. So Jaipur fried chicken, JFC. So let's see what we get. What do you wanna?
And they don't
Let's,
get roti with that or anything?
yeah, we have it on the other side. We got rotis and
No, but do they come with it?
None also, naan bread.
no, but we want roti with the with this, right? Whatever we want to get. Okay. So this is with sauce, chicken chengezi, right?
Sauce.
Okay.
If you want any sweet item, dry item, is tandoori and chicken tikka.
He said chicken.
We have also fish.
You said
Fish
chicken
is
fry.
Chicken fries are going to be dry,
Okay.
Yeah,
and
fry
chicken
also.
chengezi is going to have sauce on it.
This is the last
So if you
item
want
for one.
What kind of sauce is it?
what kind of sauce is?
I saw you have a
chengezi?
lot of this one.
Yeah, that's I think roasted chicken.
Tandoori chicken is the roasted.
Roasted,
same.
right? Yeah.
Tandoori chicken, same.
Yeah. Tandoori chicken and roasted both are same.
Chicken lollipop.
What do foreigners normally get?
Sorry?
What do foreigners normally get?
Walnuts. And the roasted and also chicken tikka, malai tikka. Anybody wants something if the non-spicy, then we take.
I like spicy.
We want spicy. Yeah.
You want non-spicy?
No, we want spicy.
Oh, okay. Non-spicy, the roasted and also.
No, we want spicy.
Yeah. If you want it spicy,
Yes.
then it is chicken roasted and chicken tikka. But chicken tikka is the boneless chicken.
Boneless chicken. Okay.
And chicken roasted is the with bone. So whatever.
Should I get the tikka?
Chicken tikka.
We'll take chicken tikka.
Okay.
And can we eat roti with chicken tikka?
I guess, of course.
You can. Let's. No naan.
No, no.
Let's get a rumali roti.
Yeah. Rumali roti is the very thin.
Yeah, very thin one.
Very
Yeah.
thin and some big size.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get that. I'm gonna get one of those. One.
Roti.
Yeah, one rumali roti and one
Chicken tikka.
chicken tikka.
You're getting?
Yeah.
So both are same, yeah?
You wanna get the same?
Okay.
Yeah, I want the same.
Same thing. So two
Yeah, I
rotis.
understand, no problem.
Oh, you got
Chicken
it.
tikka,
You got it. He's a
two
smart
rumali.
man.
So, can I also get a, what's good to drink here?
Drinks, sir, we have Pepsi, 7-Up, Dio.
You have any big bottles of soda?
Water we have only one size, just small.
No, like Coke. What do you want? Coke, Pepsi?
We have also lassi. It's the very good.
Lassi. Yeah, we had lassi in the morning. You want
I
it?
think you could try
don't want
the
it.
one lassi. It's very good.
No, I should probably just drink water. I just have that lemon drink with salt.
Yeah.
Just, you have any cold waters?
Cold. This
Cold.
You want? Okay.
I want a
One
cold
normal. Just keep one.
I want one
Okay.
refrigerated.
चाचा,
Cold.
ठंडा पड़ना है, बिल्कुल चिल्ड वाला पीछे.
Cold water. So that's our food. How long is it going to take?
Okay, that's it.
That's it. That's all we want.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. See, when you come to a local restaurant, people are so nice to you, as opposed to
Can I see it?
a fancy place where they wouldn't be so friendly with you. So now we just wait for our food to come. We'll let you know how good it is, and if it is indeed the best chicken in Jaipur. Look at all these people enjoying their Khan chicken. So definitely looks like a popular joint. Anytime you see a lot of customers at a restaurant, that usually means it's a good restaurant. So let's see how long it takes for them to get our food, and I'll see you guys when the food gets here. I thought that was ours.
That
But
looks good, man.
yeah. I hope that's what it.
Chicken? No, it's not.
We got chicken tikka boneless. This is our food. This is the chicken tikka with the green gravy. We got 6 pieces of boneless chicken, and now we're just waiting for the rumali roti to go with the chicken tikka. It looks good. I'm sure it tastes good too. But we'll wait and see. If you want to, we'll just wait for the roti to come before we start eating. yeah, this is what it looks like. So that's what you get for 190. 6 pieces. Oh, we got a spoon. Now we're getting the special treatment out here. So let's try this. I'm gonna break into this. Take a little piece off. Man, it's hard. Alright, there we go. Here's a little piece. Dip it in the green sauce.
Are they both the same?
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Burundi. It is good. Has a little bit of. Oh, it is spicy though. We asked for spicy, we got spicy. It has a lot of flavor. How do you like the spice?
I love it.
It adds a lot of flavor, the spice. So, there's a little piece. The green sauce. Yeah, it's good. I'm not ready. Wait for that. Look at this, Romali Roti.
Romali.
Yes. Is it 2? 2, right? Okay. That's our roti. And I think Sergio's going to make a taco out of this. Are you?
Yeah,
Gonna make a taco?
Harold, I'm in India.
I like taco. All right. So let's see. They chopped up the chicken. It's going to take the little Romali roti, which is like a super thin roti. Probably
Actually,
fold it
take
up.
a piece because I only have one.
There you go. It's gonna make a taco. That's how you make a taco out of Indian
Alright,
food.
so this will be like my tortilla.
That's the tortilla. There goes the chicken on top of it.
Alright, Harold, check this out. Now I'll take my guacamole. I don't know what
got
this
the guac.
actually is.
The best tacos in India. Made out of Indian food.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
See?
That's authentic Sergio taco.
That's how it's done.
It's a real taco. How to make a taco with Indian food. All right. Let me try it the regular way. I'm trying and see what it's like. I do have to cut up the chicken because it would be impossible with the little roti. Take mine. Yours. Let's try it. This is how you eat it, Indian style. You pick up the roti, pick up a piece of chicken, dip it in the little sauce, and just bite in. I feel like it makes it better. It's good food. Good taco. Man, I'm really struggling with the spicy food. They really made it spicy, the chicken. And there's my savior. Oh. It is so spicy, this food.
No, it's not that bad.
I mean, I don't normally go for spicy food. You're sweating. You're telling me it's not that bad.
It's perfect.
It's perfect for him. He's used to spicy tacos. Oh man.
That is tasty.
His tongue's on fire. Has a lot of flavor, but the tongue's on fire. Woo. Pepsi does help though. But only for a second. Right back. Last one. I killed it. That's it. I finished it. The whole thing. I'm not going to eat the onions.
Onions were the best part.
I'm not going to eat onions. They're orange.
Just how it's done. See? Empty.
The whole plate. You didn't finish the sauce too.
That's how you eat it.
My tongue is still on fire. And I finished the Pepsi. Yeah. If you come here, don't get this unless you're used to spicy tacos and stuff, or if you're a fan of spicy food. Oh man,
My mom would actually be proud of that meal. She'd be like,
my mom likes spicy food too. I don't know how she eats it, but I can't. I mean, we did the spicy food challenge in Delhi with Jeremy, and that wasn't this bad either. And that was supposed to be the spiciest food they had in the whole thing, in the whole market. But even that wasn't this bad.
and if Jeremy would do with this.
I think it would die after one. Yeah, that's it. That's all I could take. So we were seated in the family room right here.
Yes, the family room.
This is the family room?
This is Mama. Yes.
Mama.
Yes, Mama. Old.
Okay.
Old Mama.
Old Mama.
Mama
But he looks young.
Yes.
And this is a regular spot where all the people sit. And we got the quiet room for some reason. We got the special treatment. The food was really good. I think the spices are going down now. And yeah. Thank you very much, guys, for the food. Thank you. It was very good. All right. More chili. What are you trying to kill people? No, it's okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir. So here it is. That was the best chicken in Jaipur at MM Khan Hotel. This is a popular man getting selfies. So here we have it once again. Big portions. So that's the end of the video for the best chicken in Jaipur. So if you want to have the best chicken in Jaipur, look for MM Khan Hotel. It's on this road. I don't know what this road is, but yeah. That's where you come for the best chicken.